morning, KK squad. Like I mentioned, we are in Aruba.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record, just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. Paso blame me more. You go do your one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, I saw they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them over. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer, what's up, we do? Yeah, go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I not see what you do. See when we go get a while like Sulesu. Got to money console. Anything you wish me.
She just let me know, but they show no fish. They say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she doesn't want.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, shayo, you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by fountain without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh.
Hey guys, it has been a long day of traveling. We finally made it to Aruba. Whew. It's a little bit early, so I'm about to like get cleaned up, change off, and see what Aruba has to offer. So no, come. Oh. Alright. I'll be back.
I did Apotek when they kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life.
Alright guys, we finally made it to KFC in Aruba. I'm gonna try them KFC, see what it's about.
The love of my life, my eye, don't cry, I need people and shadow.
Wow, gotta catch the sunset at Juanita's beach. Good morning, KK squad. Like I mentioned, we are in Aruba. Oh, that's the microwave. So we just woke up, put my sunscreen on. We're getting prepared and ready to go to the beach, the pool. I'm gonna update you soon what beach we're going to. So right now we're just like eating breakfast and stuff, and it's now 7 a.m. in the morning. Sun is just coming out. That's why it's so dark. Like I'm looking through the kitchen window right now. Can I flip the camera? No, I can't flip the camera. Can't see it clear, but looking through the kitchen window. But yeah, I'll update you guys soon on what we're doing. Telling me this whole time I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Oh my gosh. I was recording the whole time walking from the Airbnb, and it was a recording. But we are at apartment number 2. This is the outside of our Airbnb. It's just building up. It's all brand new, and they're just building up the place. But as you can see, a lot of cactus over there to show you we're in a country that's dry heat. It's hot, but it's also windy. So it's a lot of nice houses building up. This neighborhood is building up. While we're driving, I'll show you all the nice houses on this street.
I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you find or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah.
So that's why I made us speak proper English.
The language good.
So that's why when you say 35, I have to ask if
Dollars.
Dollars and how much Jamaican money now?
Ooh, a lot.
He said a lot.
I mean, you guys don't cater to Jamaicans then, right?
We don't deal with no Jamaican money here. No peso, no Colombian money.
Oh, just US.
Dollars and euro.
Dollars and euros.
And florine.
Guys, we finally made it to Eagle Beach. Guys, I have to show you the water. It's so beautiful. Wait, I don't want to slide down this hill, so let me just take my time. But the water's so blue, so blue. I gotta take my time to show you something. Let me show you guys how blue the water is. Look at that. The sun just went in. We just asked the guy how much to rent an umbrella. He said 35 US. There's a lot of details I have to tell you guys about this island. Not sure when I'm gonna get. It's like I'm still. It's like this trip was so last minute. It's like I'm still trying to gather my mind. You know? Still trying to gather my mind, but this island is so small. It takes 45 minutes to drive around this island, drive everywhere on the island. And guys, driving here, it's good to have a car, but it's a lot of roundabouts. And when I say roundabout, this island is just made up of roundabouts. Like, there's so much details I have to tell you guys, but once I gather my mind, I'll give you all details for the people who wants to travel to Aruba. But it's a beautiful island. Beautiful. It's like it's not like, it is paradise.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Things feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. rad. But he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't.
Alright, we stopped at this place. It's just like a little cook shop to just grab a little food.
Yeah, that's why I said this. When she showed me that one, I said that. But
Uso criollo, arriba un banda
Sauce?
Creole sauce. Yeah. On top of it, or on the side.
We just parked and we're here at Mangel Halto Beach. Mangel Halto Key Beach. It's beautiful. It's a very beautiful beach. I'm gonna walk over there to see what it's giving. We got our stuff over here. Let me zoom in with my new iPhone 15 Pro Max. All right.
Ferrari, we pillin' out. So Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby, yellin', yellin' out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. You feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls.
Oh wow. Oh, he's over this side. I'm like, I see. Oh, so the snorkeling team is over. There's a bunch of people snorkeling right now. Nice view. Guys, we're still at Mangel Halto Beach, but this is another entrance for the beach. Look at this view. So to get down there, you have a bunch of stairs. Like if you look all the way down there, let me zoom in. Whoa! When you put on your bag, I just want you to look at my zoom. That's the only good thing about that 15 year. Jeez, this zoom is crazy. I love this. Those are the stairs you take to go in the water. Let me see if I can find him. Oh, there he is. Mr. Snorkeler. Every country he has the snorkel. Hello.
Hello.
Alright, Mr. Big Swimmer. He's snorkeling in his hiking / water shoes because there's a lot of rocks. He said there's a lot of rocks out there. So that's why. I just can't get enough how pretty this is. I hope YouTube, please don't drop my quality. I beg. Don't want here. Look at it. Look at his little badass. Look at his little badass. Oh my god. See me trying to do? Bro. Point, which is the California lighthouse. Alright, so you have to pay $5 to get in the lighthouse point. That's it? Okay, thank you. You're welcome. All right. This reminds me of Colombia when I had to climb the rocks. These are like stairs going all the way up the lighthouse. I'm out of breath. It's a lot of stairs. Hey. Yeah. Yeah? Oh. Alright, so finally made it to the top. It's very windy. Yeah, you can walk, but oh, it's not a swimming area. Alright, let's see. How cool is this? You could drive up to your cabana. That's cool. Like, once you're driving, you're gonna see the beach. The island is surrounded by beach. So we just made a stop and trying to see what's going on here. If it's a swimming area or it's just for the catamaran. The water looks so beautiful from here. It's a lot of Jamaica, we call it mata. I don't know what they are called. Are they playing reggae music on that catamaran? I know y'all not playing no damn reggae music. Are they playing reggae music right now? Yep. Oh, but the water, like, bro, look at this. Look on the fish then. Whoa. Because I got some why did she say cheese? Oh gosh. Yeah. Hey KK squad, so it's the evening time after a long beach day. Are heading to we're heading to Zeerover restaurant. So I'll take you guys with me on the journey. Let me give you a little glimpse of the fits. Literally a line, but you look like them just grab for yourself.
You pay for your one.
Alright, so we're here at Zeerover. You ain't getting into the hand wash. But there's a line, so you could tell this place is posh. And this is the only place that you see all this parking right now. You see all these cars? It's because of this place.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying.
Alright guys, the food is finally here. We got some mahi, some shrimp, fries, and sauce. We're about to eat. Those are huge.
That we just eat?
That me I wonder.
The shrimp?
What is this?
What is that? Yeah.
What's the name? Robalos.
Robalos? They're called robalos? Oh,
The beach very top. Okay.
That's why there's a lot here. Otherwise, they would have been over.
she's feeding the fish.
Put them to the tail, the shrimp.
Wow. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Right. They're huge. Oh. That funny took the whole thing.
I said, don't jump over this.
Hey, then probably eat. Oh, they lit. Alright, so we are about to experience the nightlife. We're on the stretch with a lot of bars. We just parked, so I'll go on the stretch. And then after, we're gonna go to South Beach. I'm just waiting for Ian. And then we're gonna hit the road, Jack. Me no want a picture. Come, no. Oh, it's funny. Also, coming on the oil looks so. Aruba. One happy island. So this is a stretch with a bunch of bars. Okay guys, how cool is this? We're going to a bar. The bar is like a pharmacy. And they're gonna prescribe something for us. So we're gonna go in and see what they're gonna prescribe for us. The brain. So Hilton giving you a Caribbean vibe. It says Aruba, Caribbean. Aruba. So coming up to Fat Tuesday. This is the area where you gonna get lit. Okay, thank you. 6 to 10. It's 10 minutes. Know what he said. Exactly. This is the Gianni's restaurant. Thanks to TikTok, it's packed. Yeah, I did. I went to do in front of them. Why? That's it. Oh. Alright, so I'm in the gift shop.
I'm gonna ring this. I'm gonna be like, girl.
It says ring for sex.
Alright,
that is funny.
So we're not taking too much of our time.
Alright, let me see. I'm gonna get some shot glass. Yeah. It's actually a marketplace. At South Beach. Go buy one drink over there. South Beach. This is the gelato. Good morning. So it's the next day and we're here at Linda's Dutch Pancakes. So on the menu, I got hot chocolates. Alright, so this is the Dutch pancake. It looks different from what we would usually get in America. It looks more flat. You can get the real walnut honey. I get strawberry pancakes.
You bring? Oh, I don't say natural pool.
I like
It's a natural pool.
And the man will come. Alright, that's a picture in it, Ian.
Alright, that's it.
Alright guys, so we're here at the ruins gold mills. We're gonna check out if there's a cost to get up there and stuff like that. Gold mills, ruins gold mills. What? Iguana? Don't scare me like that. Maybe that's the reason for here to like everybody else say start digging for gold. Seriously. The view is getting better and better. The vibe I'm getting right here is to my right, beaches, water, and then to my left, the desert. How crazy is that? Hey, look at views. The camera does it no justice. The camera not do nothing for this. Nothing. Don't even know where this is. Oh yeah, that's so rough for somebody's swimming at. I don't think nobody can swim in that. Oh yeah, look on them wave there. Look how I come. Hell.
You have to see stuff like this with a 2 island.
Right? Like you can't recreate this. You can't make this up. The natural bridge. Welcome to the natural bridge. Look over this so. Is it over this so?
Yeah, for hike. I think I read that it's not hike.
Oh, that look like not. I don't know. It's giving natural
Like,
pool.
yeah, for hike over there, so.
Right, so we're here at the natural bridge. Like I said earlier, this is where all the tour happens. Tour guides, the ATVs, all of it. But like views like this, you just have to see with your own eyes, man. It's amazing. Oh. Oh, it's dirty down there. That's like waste in there. Look over here, so that look more pure.
That's the salt.
Salt. Look on them when they over there, so yeah, that is salt. But look on that one over here, so them there's some big green. Look there. That's how salt melt. That's a natural salt right there. doing tours here, and I feel like once you rent your car, all that money that you put towards these tours, you could just rent a car and just like drive around the island. To drive around the island is like 45 minutes. You just do your own tour. That's what we do. The only thing is, we wish we had like a bigger car, because we have a small car, because you know, like to drive up certain hills and you know, the hiking hills and so forth. But it's if it's like cost efficient for you guys, like you know, you want something cheap, just get a small car like what we did and just drive around the island. I feel like it's way better, cheaper to just do it yourself. Just like, you know, just drive around the island and just go to all these places, find all these places yourself. You do it on your time. You don't have no tour guide putting a time limit on your phone, you know, stuff like that. Oh my gosh, I think it's so amazing. So that's what I would do. But the only thing is, we wish we had a bigger car, but it's still durable. It's still helping us around the island, and yeah, we just like when we're out the country, we just like when we were in Costa Rica, we had the product, so like stuff like that, but still it's good to have. Yeah, it's a good day, and the island is beautiful. Like I said, 45 minutes to drive around the island to find your own fun. So I'm hearing some Bob Marley over there. Is this love? Love that I'm feeling? Oh. Alright, so this is the area where looks like a pool. Right? Fish. It's like a pool bunch right here. Ian Snorkeling again. Baby beach. Just came to dip my feet in the water. The water is so warm. Like, why? Why can't I swim? I want to swim so bad. This water is amazing. I've never seen water like this in Jamaica. I ain't gonna lie. I love my country, but I never see water in Jamaica like this. You tell the truth, unless me just don't go that side of Jamaica and see it. We have nice beaches, don't get me wrong, but I never see none like this. Show me. Tell me in the comment section. I'm here, just under the water.
Top 5 things to bring to Aruba. Sunglasses. Number 1 would be
Snorkeling. A snorkeling mask in name or snorkeling gear? Kit? Kit, yeah. This is it. Wow. Guys, we are crossing over the beach. How crazy is that? Nice baby beach. And we are crossing. I think this is Roger. What? That's another beach over there. I think that's called Roger. Holy crap, there's a crab right there, and I'm leaving. So we're here at a Trini restaurant. It's called Kamini's Kitchen. The menu. Yeah. So I got my curry goat. Get my curry goats and waiting for my roti. And that's it. Bob Marley. Back at it again. With the snorkeling. Hey, hey. No, that's not Spice. What the girl name of the password? And she sing this. No. It's a girl with password. Charlie. Wait, for real? Oh, let's see. Let me dance.
Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. That the baba fry, oh. My oh, don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.